Hi, today I do more testing with the Raptor X to check the capture range of this scanner in the 34 lines cross laser and also the 7 line cross laser, and then I will compare it with the Otter, and then I will measure the height of this fridge by using a Raptor X and the Otter to see the accuracy when it tracks with the marker on a larger flat plane, and then I will do a smaller object accuracy test for all the scanner. This is CRScan 3.3.13 released on 28 November. They have been improving the Wi-Fi connection. After the update, you can connect to the handle after launching the software. Now it's flashing blue. I will then can connect to the Wi-Fi. After connecting, see, it's connect much faster than the previous version. To find the capture range, I will use the magnetic marker. And I start to check for the scanning range. This is 34 line cross laser. You can see here that the cross line is trapezoid, but in the record screen, the capture area is in rectangle. I will move the markers to the corners to check for the capture area. Okay, I start to scan. So this is will be the capture area for Raptor X in 34 lines cross laser, 26 by 16 centimeter, 26 by 16 centimeter. Okay, this is 7 lines. Gonna move to optimal range, quite small. About this. Okay, this is about the size that you get this rectangle. Going to be closer, optimal range. 7 by 10 centimeters. Okay, now switch to the original Raptor. It has the same capture range as the Raptor X, so I would say they share the same 7 line projector. Next, I test the capture range of the Otter Small mode. I need to put in the optimum range, right? Okay, about this size. Start to scan now. So this is the size of the capture area of the Otter in small mode, about 8 by 6 in the optimal range, but if you back off a bit it will be larger, but to get the best results, capture area is 8 by 6. Okay, next I do in a large mode. Otter large mode could be very big, so I need to move the marker down a bit. I guess that it will be this big. Let me try this. Actually, it's even higher. Okay, I start to scan now. No tracking loss. So this is it. I think this one will be the length 55. I think this will be indicate the width 55 by 35. That's how big. I think it's about this. Yeah, that's how big the capture area is for Otter in large mode. Okay, next I do the marker spacing test. See how far that you should space your marker. Okay, right now I try to space it to about 6 centimeters in a zigzag pattern. See if the Raptor 7 lines can track it. Okay, 6 centimeters. It contracts very well with 6 centimeters. So I try a little bit further. Okay, now I move it to 8 centimeters apart. See if it can still track 8 centimeters. It's kind of difficult to track 8 centimeters spacing. I think good distance would be 6 for Raptor 7 lines blue laser. Let's try 10 spacing. Yeah, 10 is much better. No dancing. So 10 would be ideal for Otter Large mode. Okay, this is 12 centimeter. Yeah, 12 centimeters works. No issue. Okay, let's try 15. 15 spacing, 34 lines. No, it doesn't work. It's too far. So 12 would be maximum range. Paired with 7 lines is only 6 centimeters, so it's twice the spacing for the marker. So 34 lines use half the marker than the 7 lines. Okay, next I will measure the height of the fridge from the top down to the floor. I space the marker 10 centimeters. The scanner will only rely on the ability for tracking the markers. So if it track markers accurately, it will give accurate measurement. This is about 1.7 meters. Okay, Raptor 34 line cross laser measuring the height of the fridge. Otter. I think marker is always close. Let's check the height. I use measuring tape. 1743 millimeters. 1743. Here, side by side in cloud compare, the Raptor X is in red color and the Otter is in blue color. 1742.92. 1742.92. Sorry, I typed it wrong. The fridge height is 1743. Okay, let's move to the Otter. Here, Raptor is 1743.75. 1743.75. Other value for Raptor X is very small, 75 microns for 1742 millimeters. And Otter also does very well, only 0.75 millimeters. So I think that you can use both for reverse engineering. I will use this aluminum block for testing the accuracy. It reads 149.95. Raptor X in 34 lines. I think it's too small for only 1 It's difficult to pick up the small area. I'm using a wide switch handle because I want to relax into my tablet here. Raptor X 7 line parallel. I think 7 lines is better for small object and scan faster. And for flat plate, I think scan flat plate faster than 7 lines. 7 lines scan curve and closer. We have curve surface. It is much bigger to scan 7 line. This is the original Raptor. I'll scan in 7 line laser. Now The original Raptor so has the global marker and local detail, same as the Raptor X. I do global marker. Okay, click on the point cloud. Yes. Okay, now I can start scanning. I don't see any difference in speed between these two scanners. Otter X and Raptor X and Raptor in 7 line I think it has the same speed. It's not faster or anything. Okay, here's the Otter in small mode. I need to move it from a sorry. Here's a point cloud from Raptor X34 line, and this one is from the 7 line. You see that the surface from 7 line is much smoother, and this one is rougher. And here is from original Raptor. It looks very similar to Raptor X7 lines, and this is from the Otter Small depth camera. A little rougher the surface, but it looks nice. Let's check the dimension. It's in the cloud compare. We have 4 scans. The yellow one is scanned with a Raptor X in 34 cross laser, 0.2 millimeter resolution. Clarity recommend to use more than 0.2 millimeter resolution for cross laser mode. That's why it looks lesser the dense point cloud than the other. The other is using 0.15 point cloud mapping resolution. Okay, let's take a look at the first one, the Raptor X cross laser. It reads 149.9. Okay, Raptor X 7 line 149.902. Okay, let's move to the Raptor original. It reads 149.888. And the last one will be the Otter in a small mode. It reads 149.362. Okay, let's take a look at the final result. Accuracy from this testing with the aluminum block and my vernier caliper. I won't say that the vernier caliper that I have has the best accuracy that it can verify other scanner, but it's what I have. So the Raptor X cross laser has about less than 50 microns, both cross laser and 7 line laser. Raptor original is a little bit more than 62 microns, and if you look at the Otter, it's 0.58 millimeter for 150 millimeter long. This error is too high for reverse engineering. It's fine for working with the sculpture or 3D printer, FDM 3D printer. Okay, I hope that this information can help you decide which scanner is good for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.